students, last time we have studied coordinates of points. How to find distances if coordinates of points are given betweenness of three collinear points. Today we are going to study practice set 1.1.
Practice set 1.1. Question number 1. Find the distances with the help of the number line given below. Here the number line is given. O is the origin. Point A, point B, point C, point D and point E. On the right hand side, point H, point J, K, P, Q on the left hand side. It means coordinate of point O is 0, coordinate of point A is 1 and so on. We have to find out distance BE, distance JA, distance PC, distance JH, distance KO, distance OE, distance PJ and distance QB. First we'll find out distance BE. What is the coordinate of point B? See the number line. Coordinate of point B is 2, coordinate of point E is 5. First we'll find out which one is the greater coordinate. Definitely 5 is the greater coordinate, 2 is the smaller coordinate. So what is distance BE is equal to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate, that is equal to 5 minus 2, that is equal to 3 units. Second sub question. Find distance JA. Coordinate of point J is minus 2. Coordinate of point A is 1. So 1 is greater than minus 2. What is distance JA? Formula is greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Which one is greater coordinate? 1 minus minus 2. It will become 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3 units. So we'll get distance JA is equal to 3 units. Sub question number 3. Find distance PC. Coordinate of point P is minus 4. Coordinate of point C is 3. So which one is the greater coordinate? 3 is greater coordinate, minus 4 is smaller coordinate. So what I will get? Distance PC is equal to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate, that is 3 minus minus 4, that is 3 plus 4, that is equal to 7 units. Sub question number 4. Find distance JH. Coordinate of J is minus 2. Coordinate of H is minus 1. So be careful. First we have to identify which one is the greater coordinate. So minus 1 is greater than minus 2. So distance JH is equal to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate, that is equal to minus 1 minus minus 2, that is equal to minus 1 plus 2, and therefore distance JH is equal to 1 unit. Sub question number 5. Find distance KO. What is coordinate of K? Coordinate of K is minus 3 and that of O is 0. 0 is greater than minus 3. Therefore distance KO is equal to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. 0 minus minus 3, that is equal to 0 plus 3. Therefore distance KO is equal to 3 units. Question number 6. Coordinate of point O is 0. Coordinate of point E is 5. You have to find out distance OE. 5 is greater than 0. Distance OE is equal to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate, that is equal to 5 minus 0, that is equal to 5 units. So distance OE is equal to 5 units. Sub question number 7. Find distance PJ. Coordinate of point P is minus 4 and what is coordinate of point J? It is minus 2. minus 2 is greater than minus 4. Therefore, distance PZ is equal to, what is formula? Greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate, that is equal to minus 2 minus minus 4, that is equal to minus 2 plus 4, that is equal to 2 units. Sub question number 8. Find distance QB. What is coordinate of point Q? It is minus 5. Coordinate of point B is 2. Positive number is always greater than negative number. Therefore, 2 is greater than minus 5. So, distance QB is equal to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. That is equal to 2 minus minus 5. That is equal to 2 plus 5. Therefore, distance QB is equal to 7 units. Question number 2. If the coordinate of point A is x and that of B is y, find distance AB. Sub question number 1. X is equal to 1 and y is equal to 7. X is equal to 6, y is equal to minus 2. Third one is x is equal to minus 3, y is equal to 7. X is equal to minus 4, y is equal to minus 5. Fifth one is x is equal to minus 3, y is equal to minus 6. Sixth one, x is equal to 4 and y is equal to minus 4. So first we'll take x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 7. What does it mean? Coordinate of point A is x and that is 1. Coordinate of point B is 7. 7 is greater than 1. So what is distance AB? That is equal to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. 7 minus 1 is equal to 6 unit. Now sub question number 2. When x is equal to 6 and y is equal to minus 2. That is coordinate of point A is 6 and coordinate of point B is minus 2. 6 is greater than minus 2. So distance AB is equal to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate, that is 6 minus minus 2, that is 6 plus 2, and therefore distance AB is equal to 8 units. Sub question number 3. X is equal to minus 3 and y is equal to 7. That is coordinate of point A is minus 3 and that of coordinate of point B is 7. First we'll find out what is greater coordinate. 7 is greater than minus 3. Therefore distance AB is equal to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate, that is equal to 7 minus minus 3. So that is 7 plus 3. Therefore distance AB is equal to 10 units. Sub question number 4. X is equal to minus 4 and y is equal to minus 5. It means coordinate of point A is minus 4 and coordinate of point B is minus 5. Minus 4 is greater than minus 5. So distance AB is equal to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Minus 4 minus minus 5. That is minus 4 plus 5. That is equal to 1 units. Sub question number 5. When x is equal to minus 3, y is equal to minus 6, find distance AB. That is coordinate of point A is minus 3. That of B is 6 minus 6. Minus 3 is greater than minus 6. So distance AB is equal to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. That is minus 3 minus minus 6. That is minus 3 plus 6. And therefore distance AB is 3 units. Sub question number 6. X is equal to 4 and y is equal to minus 8. Coordinate of point A is 4 and coordinate of point B is minus 8. Which one is greater coordinate? Positive numbers are always greater than negative numbers. 4 is greater than minus 8. Therefore distance AB is equal to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. That is equal to 4 minus minus 8. That is equal to 4 plus 8. And therefore distance AB is equal to 12 units. Question number 3. From the information given below, find which of the point is between the other two. If the points are not collinear, state so. Here, pairwise distances are given. If the greatest distance is equal to sum of remaining two distances, then only points are collinear and betweenness exists. So we'll start with the first example. Distance PR is equal to 7, distance PQ is equal to 10, distance QR is equal to 3. First, we'll find out which one is the greatest distance. Distance PQ is equal to 10 units. Therefore, distance PQ is the greatest distance. Then, sum of remaining two distances we'll find out, that is distance PR plus distance QR, 7 plus 3. Again, it is 10 units. So, from 1 and 2, what I will get, distance PQ is equal to distance PR plus distance QR. And therefore, since the greatest distance is equal to the sum of remaining two distances, points are collinear. Therefore, point P, Q, R are collinear points. And which point lies in between? Point R lies between point P and point Q. Second question, distance RS is given 8, distance ST is given 6, distance RT is 4. First, we'll find out greatest distance. 8, 6 and 4, 8 is the greatest. Therefore, distance RS is equal to 8. Second statement, sum of remaining two distances, that is distance RT plus distance ST. How much it is? 4 plus 6, that is equal to 10. So from 1 and 2, what I will get, distance RS is not equal to distance RT plus distance ST, and therefore points RST are non-collinear points. Therefore, betweenness does not exist. Sub-question number 3, distance AB is 16, distance CA is 9, distance BC is equal to 7. So first we'll find out greatest distance. Distance AB is equal to 16. Second statement, sum of remaining two distances, that is distance BC plus distance CA. How much it is? 7 plus 9. Again it is 16. So from 1 and from 2, what I will get, distance AB is equal to distance BC plus distance CA, and therefore points A, B, C are collinear points. So which one is the largest distance? Largest distance is distance AB. Therefore, point C lies between point A and point B. We'll write it as A dash C dash B. Sub-question number 4, distance LM is 11, distance MN is 12, distance NL is 8. First one, distance MN is 12, which is the largest distance. The sum of remaining two distances, distance LM plus distance NL, how much it is? 11 plus 8, it is 19. 12 and 19 are not same. Therefore, statement number 1 and statement number 2 gives me distance MN is not equal to distance LM plus distance NL. So points L, M, N are non-collinear points. Betweenness does not exist. Distance XY is 15, distance YZ is 7, distance XZ is 8. You have to justify whether the points XYZ are collinear or not. So first we'll find out the largest distance, that is distance XY. How much it is? 15. Second statement, sum of remaining two distances, that is distance YZ plus distance XZ. Again it is 7 plus 8, 15. So from 1 and 2, what I will get, distance XY is equal to distance YZ plus distance XZ. That is largest distance is equal to sum of remaining two distances, Therefore, x, y, z are collinear points, and point Z lies between point X and point Y. We'll write it as x dash z dash y. Sub question number 6. Distance DE is 5, distance EF is 8, and distance DF is given 6. So which one is the largest distance? Distance EF, which is 8 units. Sum of remaining two distances, that is distance DE plus distance DF, 5 plus 6, 11. 8 is not equal to 11. Therefore, distance EF is not equal to distance DE plus distance DF, and therefore points D, E, F are non-collinear points. Betweenness does not exist. When the largest distance is not equal to sum of remaining two distances, points are non-collinear points. Question number 4. On a number line, point A, B, C are such that distance AC is 10, distance CB is 8. Find distance AB considering all possibilities. We have given only point A, B, C are collinear points. Betweenness is not given. So we have to consider all three cases. So there are three possibilities for collinear points A, B, C. The first one is A dash, B dash, C, that is point B lies between point A and point C. In this case, what we will get, distance AB plus distance BC is equal to distance AC. Therefore, distance AB plus 8 is equal to 10. So the plus 8 we will transfer to right hand side. So distance AB is equal to 10 minus 8, that is 2 units. Second case, if C lies between A and B, that is A dash, C dash, B. So what we will get? Distance AC plus distance CB is equal to distance AB. Substituting the values, 10 plus 8 is equal to distance AB, and therefore distance AB is equal to 18 units. Third case, if C dash, A dash, B, it means point C lies between point A and point B. But here distance AC is 10, distance BC is 8. So distance AC is greater than distance BC. This is not possible, as distance BC should be the largest distance. Therefore, C dash, A dash, B is not possible. So the possible values of distance AB is equal to 2, or distance AB is equal to 18 units. Question number 5. Points X, Y, Z are collinear points such that distance XY is 17, distance YZ is 8. Find distance XZ. Here betweenness is not given. So first we'll consider X dash Y dash Z. Then what I will get? Distance XZ is equal to distance XY plus distance YZ. Substituting the values, distance XZ is equal to 17 plus 8, that is 25 units. Second possibility, X dash Z dash Y, that is point Z lies between point X and point Y. So in this case, distance XZ plus distance ZY is equal to distance XY. So distance XZ plus 8 is equal to 17. So distance XZ is equal to 17 minus 8, and therefore distance XZ is equal to 9. The possible values are 25 or 9 units. Question number 6. Sketch proper figure and write the answers of the following questions. The first one is A dash B dash C, and length AC is 11, length BC is equal to 6.5. then find length AB. Second one, if R dash S dash T and length ST is equal to 3.7, length RS is equal to 2.5, then find length RT. And in the third sub question, if X dash Y dash Z and length XZ is equal to 3 root 7, length XY is equal to root 7, find length YZ. First, length AC is same as distance AC. Length of segment AC is a distance between point A and point C. So we'll start with the first one, that is A dash B dash C. So first we'll draw figure. B lies between A and C. A dash B dash C gives me distance AB plus distance BC is equal to distance AC. Distance AB plus 6.5 is equal to 11. So distance AB is equal to 11 minus 6.5, and therefore length AB, that is distance AB, is equal to 4.5. Therefore length AB is equal to 4.5. Sub question number 2, R dash S dash T. It means S lies between R and T. First we'll draw figure. So R dash S dash T will give me distance RS plus distance ST is equal to distance RT. Substituting the values, 2.5 plus 3.7 is equal to distance RT. So distance RT is equal to 6.2 units. Distance RT is same as a length RT, and therefore length RT is equal to 6.2 units. X dash Y dash Z. So first we'll draw figure X, Y, Z, that is point Y lies between point X and point Z. X dash Y dash Z will give me distance XY plus distance YZ is equal to distance XZ. Substituting the values, root 7 plus distance YZ is equal to 3 root 7. So distance YZ is equal to 3 root 7 minus root 7. So distance YZ is equal to 2 root 7. So how will I get that? 3 root 7 minus root 7 means 1 root 7. So 3 root 7 minus root 7 will give me 2 root 7, and therefore length YZ is equal to 2 root 7 units. Question number 7. Which figure is formed by 3 non-collinear points? Suppose point A, point B and point C are non-collinear points. If I join these 3 points, what I will get? I will get triangle ABC. So by joining 3 non-collinear points, we will get a triangle.